Namaste, my name is Sushmita and you're watching my English channel Sushmita Madhu. In this video, I will guide you what is a business analyst, what is the job roles and responsibilities, what are the skills required to become a business analyst, who can become a business analyst, the eligibility criteria, what will be the growth and salaries in this profession or in this career. So watch this video till the end. If you're watching my video for the first time, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also click the bell notification for everyday job and career updates from my channel. Now, who is a business analyst? Let us understand that first. A person who is analyzing a business is definitely called a business analyst, right? What do you mean by business analysis? This person who is a business analyst, he will be checking the problems, the challenges of the employment company. The company, if it is a software company and this business analyst is employed in this company, then this business analyst will be checking all the problem statement, what are the challenges, what is stopping this company from growth and everything. The documentation part, reporting part, everything will be checked by this business analyst only. At the same time, the business analyst also works on the client project, client companies also. I mean to say, if a client has outsourced their software development work to this company, to the first company, then the business analyst also checks the problem statements, the challenges faced by the client company, why they want this software, why they want to develop this software, what is their budget, can we develop this software within that allocated budget. Everything will be checked by the business analyst only. So business analyst is definitely very interesting job role. Every software company will definitely have a business analyst job role. Now, who can become a business analyst? Any graduate. I mean to say, there is no specification like a person should have a graduation in computer science or mechanical or like civil. Anybody can do business analyst. There are so many trainings available also. You can check Udemy, Coursera, Simply Learn. There are so many online platforms. You can choose any platform depending on your comfort. Definitely you can learn business analysis through online. Otherwise, offline training institutes are definitely there. Now, what are the skills required to become a business analyst? Definitely you should be very good with your content. You should be very good with your Microsoft Office, I mean to say PowerPoint presentations and Excel and Word. You should be very good with reporting. You also need to work on data. Sometimes you will be working on the company's data. You will be taking the data analysis and data analysis team help, and you will be working on report, data visualization. A lot of things will be done by this business analyst people, I would say. What are the skills required? Definitely MS Office. You should be very thorough, very good expert in MS Office, working with Excel, PowerPoint or Word documents. At the same time, you should be very good with your communication skills as well, because you will be working with the higher officials of your employment company. Higher officials, I mean to say senior managers, vice presidents and CEOs, CFOs of the company. At the same time, you will also be working, if a business analyst, if you want to become a business analyst, you will be also speaking to the client's company. Client senior managers or vice presidents or directors of the company. You will be discussing with them the challenges they are facing, the problems they are having, why they want to develop the software, what is the software requirement. You will be documenting all these things. So lot of documentation or reporting skills are also required. You should also have a good understanding about data analysis, because depending on the data only, depending on the reports only, you will be making critical decisions. So problem solving skills or communication skills or attention to detail. So these kind of skills are definitely required for a business analyst. Business analyst should also understand how a software development life cycle works, how the business structure, what is the business structure, what is the exact business requirement. All these things also has like the business analyst should have a good understanding of. So this was about the skills required. Now I have already explained you about the eligibility criteria. Now what about the salaries? In India, if you are looking for a business analyst job role in Hyderabad, your salary may range from 4 lakhs to 5 lakhs rupees per annum if you are a fresher. Definitely with experience, your salary also increases. I gave you the rough salary expectation in Hyderabad, but if you are looking for a job in Bangalore, definitely your salaries will be higher than when compared to Hyderabad. Now, but on an average, we can say 4 lakhs to 5 lakhs rupees per annum you can definitely expect if you are starting your career as a business analyst fresher. So this was all about a business analyst job roles and responsibilities. How will be the career? Definitely very good career growth you can expect, because business analysts are the people or the team members who directly works with the higher management or top management of the company, right? So definitely the promotion, the appraisals, the growth will be very faster when compared to a software developer or a software tester. So business analyst is a very lucrative, very good career. Who can choose is people who are passionate about business, people who understand the business structure, people who want to become an entrepreneur in the future. Definitely, if you have this kind of thinking, you should choose business analyst as your career or as your career option. So if you like this video, please click the like button and share this video with your friends also. Friends, I mean to say your college friends, your WhatsApp group friends are there, right? So share this video with them also. They will also understand what exactly business analysts do and how this business analyst career is also a very good career. Your friends can also choose this career along with you. So share this video with your friends as much as possible. Thank you so much. My name is Sushmita. This is my English channel, Sushmita Madhu. I also have a Telugu channel called Pashams. Thank you so much and Namaste.